Swati Maliwal being escorted by the police and security forces from Chief Minister's residence, and you can see Swati Maliwal trying to get rid of her hand from the security forces there. Ishika also joins us at this point of time. Ishika, what is the latest in this particular case after? And we can see this video that has come out, the CCTV footage that has come out, where you can see Swati Maliwal being escorted out of Chief Minister's residence.
Well, Osama, first things first, it is important to note that this is the second video that has been released from the other side. And in fact, in this video, the footage is of, the guards, the security staff escorting out Swati Maliwal from the Chief Minister's residence. So since this is the second video that has come from the other side, it is still unverified at the moment. So it is, Delhi police who yesterday went to the Chief Minister's residence and they have checked the CCTV footages. So only after a statement comes from them, from the Delhi police, will it be verified as to, as to if it's the edited footage or is it the real footage. So certainly that depends on the Delhi police investigation. But as my colleague Shubhang was pointing it out, till now we have seen, in fact, first, yesterday it was Swati Maliwal's, complaint that was turned into the FIR and very serious allegations that she had made against Vibhav Kumar. But later night yesterday, we also saw Vibhav Kumar filed a counter complaint against Swati Maliwal. And in fact, in his version, he has given that he was the one who was telling her that her, appointment is not verified and thus she cannot go into the Chief Minister's residential block. But yet Swati was, trying to abuse him and to get past him to go inside the residential block of the Chief Minister's residence. These are the claims that Vibhav Kumar has made against Swati Maliwal. So certainly now we are seeing, since yesterday, there are two versions. One of Swati Maliwal, in fact, saying that she was abused. She was allegedly abused. She was allegedly assaulted by Vibhav Kumar while she was patiently waiting in the waiting room. But on the other side, in Vibhav Kumar's complaint, Vibhav Kumar has claimed that he was the one who was requesting her to not go inside since her appointment was not verified and she was the one who started abusing him. But certainly now all depends on the Delhi police investigation. Remember, yesterday they had went inside the Chief Minister's residence. All these CCTV footages have been checked. So far, the Delhi police is investigating the matter. They have also recreated the scene with Swati Maliwal. Remember, yesterday a Delhi police team also took Swati Maliwal to Chief Minister's residence to recreate the scene. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what statement now comes from the Delhi police and what more details comes out of this investigation. Over to you.
All right.